Hi there, students. To know which side your bread is buttered on. He really knows which side his bread is buttered on. Okay, it means to know where your advantage lies. Yeah, so my wife always gives the dog food when she's eating, so he's always under the table next to her because I never give the dog anything. Too greedy. But the dog really knows which side his bread is buttered on. He needs to be friendly to her. Okay, so to know which side your bread is buttered on, this is to know who to be nice to and what to do in order to get an advantage for yourself. Yeah. He's always very nice to his supervisor, but that's because he knows which side his bread is buttered on. Yeah. She could help him a lot or not. Okay, so this is to know what to do in order to gain advantage, to stay in a favourable situation. Yeah, it's a little bit cynical, but yeah, I think we all act in this way. So if you see somebody looking after number one, looking after themselves, doing things that will give them advantage, then you can say, well, they really know which side their bread is buttered on. Yeah. So somebody who understands fully how they are likely to benefit from a situation. Or, for example, if there's a conflict of interests, yeah, you can do one thing or you can do the other. Then, if you know which side your bread is buttered on, you clearly choose the one that is most advantageous to you. Yeah. Okay. So the boss said, "Don't you think that's really funny?" And I didn't really think it was funny, but I know which side my bread's buttered on. So I said, "Yes, of course. It's terribly funny. Ha, 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 ha." And that's the idea of to know which side one's bread is buttered on. Yeah. I think politicians definitely know which side their bread is buttered on. The only things they want to do are things that will put them in a favourable situation with the electorate, with the voters. Okay. So let's see. Formality. I think this is informal. I think I'd probably give it a 4 in formality, maybe even a 3.5. Use it in an informal conversation or a semi-formal conversation, but no more. I don't think I'd really write it. Okay. Yeah. And then, well, the origin. Yeah. You've got two sides to a situation. Well, the butter side, the side with the butter on, is better than the side without any butter. Well, that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To know which side one's bread is buttered on.